Welcome back everybody, I'm Ernest with UpFix. Are you having car battery problems? Well, this is a battery tester. We're going to check to see if it's healthy. Let's get started. So testing the battery is fairly simple. Any kind of battery tester can be purchased online on Amazon or at a local auto parts store. Now of course you can test a battery for free at any local auto parts store, but the only thing is you have to remove it out of the vehicle, whereas with this, conveniently you can keep it installed and then just install the cables onto the respective battery leads. So as you can see, once it's hooked up to the car battery, it automatically turns on. It shows you 12 volts, but even if it shows you less voltage because the car battery is dead, you can still test it to make sure that the battery is good. Press enter, and there's two options, in vehicle, out of vehicle. We're going to do in vehicle, and then a battery test. And then once you get to here, this is a traditional lead acid battery, so I'm going to select the first option that says regular flooded. If you have AGM, which is all glass matte battery, you can select that. We're going to go with the regular lead acid battery. And the first option is CCA, cold cranking amps. This is 640. The cold cranking amps can be found on the battery sticker, and this one's 640, so we're going to select that. And now it's checking. And it's a good battery. It's as simple as that. That's how you test a car battery.